Booking an Uber cab in the UK is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you haven't already, download the Uber application from the App Store or Google Play. If you are new to Uber, create an account by providing your email address, phone number, and preferred payment method. The app will automatically detect your current location, but you can change it if needed. Enter the address where you want to be picked up. Then, enter the address where you want to be dropped off. You can also choose a destination later through the Set Destination feature after the ride is booked. Now, choose the type of Uber you want based on your needs and budget. Options may include Uber X, which is a standard car, Uber XL, larger vehicle, and Uber Black, which is for luxury cars. Once everything is confirmed, tap Request Uber. The app will search for available drivers in your area and show you an estimated arrival time. Track the driver's progress in real time on the map within the app. You can also contact the driver if needed. Your chosen payment method will be automatically charged at the end of the ride, unless you have a promo code or Uber Cash applied.